Hi guys, welcome back. I'm so excited that we're all here together. Whether that here is in my classroom right now or at home in your home classroom, I'm so glad to be back in school. So I wanted to start today by sharing with you some information about what's been going on in the last 5 months in my life and how things are going to be different here in my classroom as we get started. But the first thing I want you to know is that if you look at me right now, I'm definitely smiling. I'm smiling because I'm so glad to see you. Over the past few months, I've heard a lot of people saying that teachers are heroes. In fact, they throw that word out a lot. But I want to share with you the heroes in my life and how I've come to recognize how truly heroic they really are. See, these are my heroes. These are my family. My husband, Jared, my son, Austin, my son, Coda, and my daughter, Adriana. Now, the first thing I'm going to show you is a picture that's really important to me. This is a picture of Coda. The reason this picture is important to me is because this is the picture I took the day that Coda got to come home from the hospital after he was born. But you see, he was almost 3 weeks old. Coda was born with a rare blood disorder that requires lots of special medical attention. It means he gets sick easier. It means an ear infection or the flu is a trip to the hospital and blood transfusions. And it means that his doctor called us in April and said it was really important for my whole family to be extra careful during this time to keep Coda healthy, safe. But the real reason Coda's my hero is because even though he has every reason to be disappointed and angry at all that he's had to sacrifice because of his health, this is Coda this summer. Smiling, happy, ornery, attitude. He's my hero because he didn't complain when he didn't get to play baseball or go to basketball camp. He didn't complain or cry or whine when he didn't get to go to sleepovers or hang out with his friends. He's a hero because he accepts the reality and he finds a way to be happy. This is my daughter, Adriana. She'll be in 2nd grade this year. And as you can tell from these pictures, she is definitely a study in contrasts. She loves to be a princess, but she also wants to get in the dirt and play with the boys. She had to give up gymnastics. Her softball season got cut short this summer. She didn't get to go to her friends' birthday parties or stay the night at her grandma's house. She sacrificed a lot, and she kept this ornery smile on her face also. She's definitely one of my heroes. And a lot of you might know my son, Austin, or Charles. He's my hero because he steps up to the plate. He wore a mask all summer playing baseball. He looked out for his brother and sister whom he was stuck at home with. He missed out on opportunities to go socialize with his friends, and he didn't complain because he knew he had to keep his brother safe. And my husband, Jared, he'd be humiliated if he knew I was showing you these pictures right now. We've been married 14 years, together for 20, and right now, as I speak to you, he's at home with our son Coda, who's doing remote school right now. He gave up a lot to stay home with him because he knew it was important for me to be here with you and for our son to be home where it was safe for him to start school. I love the picture of Jared and his OU and me and my OSU because it really shows that we are complete opposites in a lot of ways. And yes, OU sucks. So what does this all mean for our class? It means that right now your desks are spaced far apart from each other and far from me. It means I'm going to be teaching a lot from my desk. It means we're going to be communicating to each other through emails and chats, through video lessons. And it means we're just going to have to do things differently for now. But I promise you, I've been working my butt off to make sure that this year is still great. I hope these changes don't have to last very long. I hope to move back closer together soon. I hope soon to be with you next to your desk helping you. But for now, this is just how it has to be. But I know I have faith in you, and I have trust in you that we'll continue to learn, push each other, and smile.
I'll come back. Don't worry.
Oh, I was done.